welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, facial hair. If you're like me, you have facial hair somewhere on your face that you are not comfortable with. Today I have a wonderful remedy for you that you can use to get rid of facial hair. However, before we get into the video, guess what? If this is your first time watching, look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Now if you already subscribed and you're not getting the notification, look at the side beside the word subscribe. You're gonna see a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Now, facial hair. Do you struggle with facial hair? Are you embarrassed by your facial hair, especially your upper lips? Well, guess what? Today I have a wonderful remedy for you that you can use to get rid of your facial hair, especially the upper lips. This is also good for chin hair and it is also good for the sideburns. So if you're interested in getting rid of your facial hair, and not only getting rid of the facial hair but having them take forever to grow back and basically eventually not grow at all, then come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in just a couple of minutes. Our first ingredient is onion, and this is a red onion. Use whatever kind of onion you have. Our second ingredient is tomato, and I'm using a plum tomato. The next ingredient is gram flour, and gram flour is simply blended chickpeas. I'm also going to be using some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is known to slow hair growth. It's also, when mixed with other ingredients, is known to get rid of facial hair. We're also going to use a blender for this recipe. So to begin, I'm first going to prepare the tomato, and I'm using a half of a tomato. So I'm going to just chop the tomato for blending. I'm also using a half of an onion. I'm just going to take off the outer layer. And I'm also going to chop the onion for blending. So I'm going to blend both the onion and the tomato together. And here is our blended tomato and onion. And now we're going to put all these three ingredients together. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of gram flour. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I'm going to blend the dry ingredient. Just blend, mix well. Make sure to get rid of any lump. Next, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of our onion and tomato mix. And we're going to mix this in a paste. Just slowly fold it in. You do not want it to be too dry. If it's a little too dry, then you could add a little more of the mixture to it. Let me test this. And this is good. And now this is ready to remove your facial hair. So I'm going to show you how to use this to get rid of mouth hair. And this is also great for chin hair, okay? So here we have our hair remover, and to use this you just want to take a little of it and you're gonna apply it to wherever you have the hair. And once the area is completely covered, you're gonna let it sit on it for at least 30 minutes. So I'm gonna sit with this for 30 minutes and then I will be back. Now this can be used on your upper lips. You could also use it on your chin. You could use it on the side of your face, anywhere that you have fine hair. Now for fine hair, from the very first use you're gonna notice a difference. However, if you have really coarse hair, you will have to use this treatment several times for best results. However, everyone will notice their hair slowly diminishing. It will take forever to grow back, and eventually you will get rid of your hair, whether you have it on your mouth start, your chin, or at the side of your face. So it has been 30 minutes and I'm gonna remove this. So you just want to take a piece of cloth, wash rag or something, and you're gonna just slowly take it off. It might look a little red depending on your skin type. So just wipe it off. Now once you take it off, you're gonna rinse off with some warm water and you're good to go. Now you want to do this on a regular, at least twice per week for best result. If you have coarse hair, you want to do this at least 3 times per week. You can store the leftover in the refrigerator, okay? So within no time you're on your way to less until your facial hair just basically just don't grow at all, okay? Now after you remove the treatment, if the hair is a little irritated, not to worry, just put some of your moisturizer on it, alright? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to leave your comments and give it a thumbs up. Share the video, and guess what? If this was the first time watching, you want to see more of this video, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there is a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Hi guys.